Hello, how are you, my little children? I hope you're having a great day. So, today, for all my preschool children, I thought I'll make something that is quite easy, a penguin. Okay, it's quite easy. So, we'll make it now, taking a square piece of paper. We need to fold it in half like this so that we get two triangles. Then fold it in like this again on the other side. Open it up. Now this corner comes to the middle of this, but slightly beyond that, like this. Fold it in like this, and then this top corner comes to the middle, but not quite to the middle either. Turn it around now. This corner now comes to the middle so that the edge aligns with the other edges. Now fold it backwards like this. This corner also, where the lower edge is there, the lower edge aligns with the lower edge, and folding it in. Now look at this height and change this height if needed. Now this corner, again fold it backwards so that the corners align. Now this corner, slowly fold it in a bit, these two corners. Now turn it around. I need to make some amends. See, we have to push this down. Otherwise he'll have a pointy head, won't he? Now our penguin's done. Isn't our penguin a very sweet one? So we'll need to draw some eyes on him. Now it's quite easy to make, wasn't it, children? So my little children, now ask your parents for assistance with the square piece of paper and then make a penguin like this. Okay, so we'll bring more and more of these videos in the future. Goodbye.